Welcome back to another video in this YouTube series on Industry 4.0 and Smart Manufacturing. In today's video, we are going to discuss some of great technological advancements in automobile and airplane sector during second industrial revolution. Automobiles. Among the most influential innovations of second industrial revolution was the invention of internal combustion engine. By 1876, Nicholas August Otto invented first internal combustion engine of 4-stroke powered by gasoline. In 1885, John K. Starley developed the first modern rover safety cycle that could balance position and was easy to move. In 1885, Daimler invented a light portable internal combustion engine. Daimler and Carl Benz succeeded in building an Otto-type 4-stroke gasoline engine, employing a carburetor to mix the fuel with air. This engine used an advanced electrical induction coil powered by an accumulator, which formed a base for the modern spark plug. It was the first powered automobile. The Dunlop pneumatic tire, which was first made for bicycles, soon found an application in automobile sector too. By 1889, Daimler and Wilhelm Maybach designed a vertical cylinder engine for two-wheeler that led to first internal combustion motorcycle. It was able to move with a speed of 10 miles per hour. Cars made by the end of 19th century were handmade and expensive. The idea of mass production and interchangeable parts was first started by 1908. On October 1, 1908, Henry Ford, the founder of Ford Motor Company, started mass production of Model T cars that reduced production cost. The Ford Motors developed a completely redesigned factory with machine tools and special purpose machines that were systematically positioned in work sequence. All the unnecessary human movements were eliminated by using conveyors, which formed the assembly line. Because of these assembly line units, car frames were brought to workers on continuously moving conveyor belt, and this complete process is called as mass production. This was the first time in history where large complex products, which may be consisted of more than 5,000 parts, had been produced on a large scale through mass production in assembly line units. This resulted in lowering price of automobiles that was even affordable by middle class families. Initially, during 1908, Model T cars costed around $850. That was reduced to $360 by 1916, and they were mass produced almost 7,35,000 cars in a year. Now coming to another key technological advancement in aviation sector, airplanes. The airplanes was completely a new innovation of second industrial revolution. Previously, many attempts were made to fly, which were largely a trial and error using observations from birds and without fully understanding how flight could be maintained and controlled. In 1903, Orville and Wilbur, the Wright brothers, developed the first powered airplane. Internal combustion engine was used to run the flights. Wright brothers observed that birds angled their wings for balance and control and tried to imitate this, developing a new concept called wing wrapping. And by adding a movable rudder, the Wright brothers succeeded in flying the first controlled flight. Orville took off first and flew almost 37 meters in 12 seconds, and later Wilbur took off and flew almost 260 meters in 59 seconds. This was an extraordinary achievement. The Wright brothers' fundamental breakthrough was their invention of 3-axis control, which enabled the pilot to steer the aircraft effectively and to maintain its equilibrium. DeLog was the world's first airline that was founded on November 16, 1909. On 1st January of 1914, Tony Jenners conducted the US first commercial flight that traveled almost 15 miles for 23 minutes with a maximum speed of 121 km per hour.